In the bustling world of small businesses, staying on top of inventory can feel like a never-ending juggling act. From keeping track of stock levels to managing orders and maintaining a smooth flow of goods, it's a challenge that demands both efficiency and precision. But fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into the realm of inventory management, showcasing the top 5 free software solutions that can transform your small business into a well-oiled inventory management machine. Square. Let's begin by introducing Square, the point of sale (POS) powerhouse that doubles as an inventory management whiz. Square is the ideal companion for small businesses seeking a simple and intuitive inventory management solution. Its USP is a simple and easy-to-use inventory management solution that can be easily operated by a smartphone app. So the learning curve is minimal so that everyone from kids to elderly people can use it easily. With Square, seamlessly integrate inventory management into your sales process. This will help small businesses gain real-time visibility of stock levels, effortlessly create sales orders, and receive instant inventory updates. This is indeed a time-saving trick that keeps all the control of the minor headaches. But Square doesn't stop here, it can also generate sales orders, streamlining your sales process. Upkeep. Upkeep revolutionizes inventory management for businesses handling equipment and assets. With its intuitive mobile-first design, Upkeep provides real-time access to inventory information on the go. For those in the business of managing equipment and assets, Upkeep emerges as the mobile-first inventory management savior. Upkeep is the go-to solution for comprehensive asset management, putting control at your fingertips. This is designed to keep track of your assets' whereabouts and condition, ensuring they're always ready for action. With Upkeep, create asset profiles, track maintenance history, and receive timely alerts when assets require attention, preventing downtime and keeping all operations running smoothly. In simpler words, the software is tailored for asset management, which monitors maintenance history and receives timely alerts, ensuring assets are in optimal condition. The alert system prevents potential issues from escalating, minimizing downtime and optimizing operations. So with Upkeep, take the control and efficiency at your fingertips. Zoho. Zoho Inventory is a cloud-based inventory management software that offers a wide range of features, including order management, warehouse management, and reporting. It is a good option for small businesses that need a comprehensive inventory management solution at its core. With Zoho Inventory, you can easily track your stock levels, create purchase orders, and manage your sales orders. With Zoho Inventory by your side, you'll become the orchestra conductor of your business operations, effortlessly tracking stock levels, crafting purchase orders, and managing sales orders like a seasoned pro. It doesn't end here, as Zoho comes with more features like cloud-based to ensure seamless access from anywhere. Order management, keeping your sales and purchase orders in perfect harmony. For uninterrupted warehouse management and precise reporting, Zoho provides insights that guide strategic decision-making. Odoo. Odoo is another cloud-based inventory management software that is known for its flexibility and customizability. It can be used to manage a wide variety of inventory types, including products, materials, and components. With Odoo, you can create custom workflows, automate tasks, and generate reports. It's completely cloud-based with a fully customized mobile app. This is perfect for small businesses that need a flexible and customizable inventory management solution. It shines with its distinctive management that can understand and assign a wide variety of inventory types. Moreover, it can create custom workflows as well as generate reports based on the data. Vico. Last but not least, Vico is a cloud-based inventory management software that is designed for small businesses that sell products online. This is a perfect software service for part-time owners or entrepreneurs operating small to medium-sized businesses. It is a good option for businesses that need a simple and easy-to-use inventory management solution that integrates with their e-commerce platform. Its easy and intuitive interface is another plus that is so minimal that everyone from kids to elderly people can use it easily. So while using Vico, owners can track stock levels while receiving real-time inventory updates. There you have it, the top 5 free inventory management software for small businesses. With so many great options available, you're sure to find the perfect solution for your needs. While you are at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.